Deploying DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To start, you need to create a DigitalOcean account and set up a project. Once you have a project, navigate to the DigitalOcean dashboard and click on the Manage Databases tab. From there, click on the Create a Database button and select MongoDB as the database type. Next, choose the cluster configuration that suits your needs, taking into account the number of nodes, instance size, and database version. It is essential to consider the trade-offs between cost, performance, and availability when selecting a configuration. After configuring your cluster, provide a name for your database and select the region where you want to deploy it. DigitalOcean will then provision your managed MongoDB database, which may take a few minutes to complete. Once your database is created, you can connect to it using the connection string provided in the DigitalOcean dashboard. To connect, you will need to create a database user and authorize the IP addresses that will be accessing the database. It is crucial to follow best practices for securing your database, including using strong passwords, limiting access to trusted IP addresses, and enabling encryption. DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB also provides features like automatic backups, patching, and scaling, which can help simplify database management. To get the most out of your managed MongoDB database, make sure to monitor its performance and adjust your configuration as needed. DigitalOcean provides monitoring tools and alerts that can help you stay on top of your database's health and performance. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily deploy a scalable and secure DigitalOcean managed MongoDB database that meets your application's needs.